How the lockdown will be withdrawn in India. Government is planning to develop a roadmap to ease COVID-19 restrictions, and this will be set out in 5 phases. Each of these phases will be on 3-week review process. The current phases would commence on the following dates. Phase 1, May 18, 2020. Phase 2, June 8, 2020. Phase 3, June 29, 2020. Phase 4, July 20, 2020. And Phase 5, August 10, 2020. If coronavirus cases begin to increase, these restrictions will be reverted in the previous stage. Phase 1. The Phase 1 of the roadmap will lift the following restrictions. However, social distancing guidelines will remain in operation for all. Construction workers, landscape gardeners, and other outdoor workers may return to work. Garden centers, repair shops, and hardware stores may reopen. Fitness and sport activities, including golf, may resume. These should be of course in non-contact, and in small groups, maximum of 4 people. People may meet up with friends and family in small groups and outdoors. The size of a small group is defined as up to 4 people. The majority of regular health services will resume. Outdoor public amenities and tourism sites may reopen, such as beaches and mountain walks. Phase 2. During Phase 2, the following restrictions will be lifted. Restriction will be extended from 5 km to 20 km. Specific retail hours will be allocated for those currently cocooning. Home visits will be allowed to those cocooning, by a small number of persons for a short period of time. Up to 4 people may visit another household for a short period of time. Slightly larger family gatherings at funerals will be permitted, limited to maximum. Safe social distancing can still be applied. Solitary workers and workers that can maintain social distancing can return to work. Small retail outlets, that can control staff and customer numbers, and maintain social distancing, may reopen. Public libraries will reopen, maintaining the social distancing. Outdoor sporting activities, but no matches will happen. This will involve small group training, but no contact still will be allowed. Phase 3. During Phase 3, the following restrictions will be lifted. Commence opening of creches and schools for children of essential workers. Commence a phased approach to visiting at hospitals and other healthcare settings. Businesses where employees have low levels of daily interaction may reopen. Phase in the opening of all other non-essential retail outlets, restricting customer numbers, and applying social distancing. This is limited to retail outlets with street-level entrance and exit, that is, not in shopping centers. Playgrounds will be reopened. Behind closed doors, sporting events may recommence. Cafes and restaurants may reopen as long as social distancing is maintained. Phase 4. During Phase 4, the following restrictions will be lifted. Travel will be extended to outside of your region. Larger household visits will be permitted. Small social gatherings will be permitted, such as baptisms, small weddings, etc. Creches and schools will reopen for all other children. Other employees return to work, beginning with those who cannot work remotely, and then staggering the working times to ensure social distancing. Barbers and hairdressers may reopen. Museums and other cultural outlets may reopen. Sports teams such as GAA and soccer may recommence, and public swimming pools may reopen. Hotels and other hospitality units may reopen based on limited occupancy. Hotel bars are to remain closed. Phase 5. During Phase 5, the following restrictions will be lifted. Social gatherings will be permitted, except for large gathering, or gatherings in households of suspect cases. Schools and colleges will reopen on a phased basis, and will recommence in the new academic year. Normal hospital and other residential setting visits will be allowed. All employees may return to work on normal on-site arrangements, except organizations that cannot maintain social distancing plans. Enclosed shopping centers may reopen. Tattoo and piercing parlors may reopen. Cinemas may reopen. Close contact physical sports, such as rugby, boxing etc. may recommence. Gyms and dance studios may reopen. Mass sporting events may recommence where social distancing can be maintained. Indoor recreational venues, such as bowling, bingo etc., may reopen. Small festivals and other outdoor cultural events may resume. Tourist travel to offshore islands may resume.
Please, stay home and stay safe. Let's fight Corona.